how'd you meet? Tell me about that.
I was playing in a band.
Okay.
And Judy was a friend of the drummer's girlfriend.
Well, good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us for Coffee with Conti. Oh, this is buc-ees coffee. I love buc-ees. And regrettably, I'm not driving my Corvette, I'm driving my pickup truck because we've not had an opportunity for Chuck to assess the damage that I caused from that small fire in the last lapping session at Pit Race. Once we get that wheel off, we'll share that with you guys and see what damage, if any, that I did to it. On last Sunday's show, we were at the National Corvette Museum and we shared a wonderful delivery with Tony at his new ZR1. You guys loved the drive, you loved his feedback, you loved his perspective on that car, and you asked to see more. Oh, don't worry, you will. We'll probably do either the competition between Tony and I racing his E-Ray and the ZR1, or maybe Supercar Blondie will take us up on that challenge. Now, this Sunday show, it brings us back to the National Corvette Museum. I'm so honored to have the opportunity to order a 2026 Corvette for James and Judy from Maryland. And yes, I am dressed like an American flag with shoes to match. It is Veteran Celebration Weekend here at the National Corvette Museum. I did this to make you smile, to have fun, but truly to show the respect to all of our veterans that have served our country. It's great to have you guys on the channel. Welcome to Coffee with Conti. Yeah, there it is. Jim and Judy. Man, is that classy. Oh my gosh. I forgot they did the all sky cool gray interior. We'll show you more of this car in just a little bit. I think they're in the library doing some paperwork. Let's go say hi. Hey, how you doing, guys? Great to see you. Car looks fantastic. Of course, it's Veteran Celebration Weekend, and I had to dress like an American flag.
Oh, please let me put this as your car.
All right, so we're taking a break in the process, but you guys get a chance to meet Jim and Judy from Maryland.
Hey, Rick, how are you?
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity, seriously.
Oh, well, like I said, you tried to help a friend. I remember that, and he was right. You're the guy to deal with. So.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
The referral means a lot, and the support means a lot. We had a chance to meet for the first time after the car was already ordered at Corvette's Car Lab.
Right.
Yeah, absolutely. It was wonderful.
It was.
So give me a little background on you guys as far as your Corvette journey. Is this the first, fifth, 10th?
This is number 3.
Number 3.
I had an 82 collector's edition.
Oh, nice.
That I got used and kept for a couple of years. Then, I guess about 5 years ago, I bought a C6, a 2010.
Okay.
Still have it. We drove it from Maryland down to Florida. And it's in the garage in Florida right now. And we're going to drive this one back down to Florida.
Yeah, I love the spec. So who picked the color? Judy or Jim?
I've always
Together.
We did together.
Okay, that's what I want to hear. Good.
But we've always liked the Arctic white car.
Okay.
And it just looks so clean and classy to me.
Well, you classed it up with the body color accents.
Yes.
I really like that. I mean, it just gives it a bold statement. I love the sky cool gray interior.
Yeah.
And I think you did a 3 package on this too, didn't you?
The LT3. Yeah.
Yeah, so when you open that up, you're going to see that on the A-pillars and the underside of the roof, and it's just going to liven up that interior when you got the top up. It's really, just the 2 to 3 difference in a sky cool gray is a huge difference.
Okay.
It really is. We talk a lot about how the 2LT will probably be more popular this year because now you can do the stitch option.
Right.
But if you're doing a sky cool gray and budget is not a concern, go to the 3 package because it's gorgeous. It just livens up that interior.
Yeah, of course, when we were doing the build online, it's not as good as seeing it in person.
Yeah, because I don't think they show the underside of the roof on that.
No, they don't.
No.
But we just really like that combination for the interior.
And my little story about it is a few years ago when they were going to introduce the C8,
Yes.
all of us at the Corvette Club were like, Jim needs to get one. Jim needs to get one. And I'm like, it'll look really nice in my garage in my Florida house.
Right.
Which we didn't have at the time.
Which we didn't have at the time. So in January, we bought Florida House, and Florida House came like between Christmas and Thanksgiving, so that was my Christmas present.
Congratulations.
And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present.
This is my birthday present.
And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so this is my birthday present. And last Saturday was my birthday, so And wait, I have to do a thumbs up.
We're gonna do.
Napoli.
Yeah, you know what? He texted me, and I, like I said to you earlier, I thank him for the referral. It really means a lot. I guess the support we have from so many different people that we do business with, and indirectly and directly, it really is an honor and it's a thrill, and it means a lot to me. And that's one of the other reasons I really wanted to make an effort to be here for you guys today.
Appreciate
He's
you coming down.
He's been a
big help.
No, absolutely.
Directing us to you was the biggest help.
That's a lot of fun. I'm just a big Corvette kid like you guys. I'm going to grow old, and obviously I'm never going to grow up. Why not? All right. Life's too short. We got to have some fun. Absolutely. Well, I can't wait to get this thing open so we can show it off a little bit and get some pictures, and we'll do a send-off, Pat. And,
yeah, sounds great.
This is non-Z51, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so
with magnetic ride and
that's
front lift.
What. I was just going to ask you, because I forgot the spec. If you did mag ride, this really, truly, folks, is the best riding Corvette we have ever had. I had this car, and then I traded it, go up to the Z51. But really, truly, it was incredible. With the mag ride, non-Z51, you got the all-season tires. Hopefully, the rain's gone by the time you guys get out of here.
Yeah.
But really, you're gonna be impressed. And people have the misconception that, oh, I got a non-Z51 and the car's not a performer. Let me tell you something. It's going to perform well beyond most of the owner's capabilities.
Yes.
But it's going to give you a great cruising.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's great.
Good. Fantastic. Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you again, Rick.
Oh, you're a custom plaque?
Yeah.
Super dark. It's right here. Oh, it's got white.
What did you put on
Oh,
there,
I
Jim?
see it up there. Okay.
What'd you put?
Running Down a Dream. It's a Tom Petty song.
Oh, yeah. I was just going to say, it's a Tom Petty song. Okay.
And music was really important to us in the beginning of our relationship. And it has been for a long time, but it's really how we met. So music's always been a special spot in our hearts. So.
How'd you meet? Tell me about that.
I was playing in a band.
Okay.
And Judi was a friend of the drummer's girlfriend. And she started coming to a couple of his gigs, and that's how we met.
That's cool, man.
And we've known each other 49 years.
Congratulations.
So,
wow.
Yeah, been married 44.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah. So music is on my C6. The license plate is Mr. Breeze, which is a Leonard Skinner song.
Yeah,
so,
that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So,
fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've been trying to think of a
plate for this one.
Plate for this one. Yeah.
Well, you got the custom plate inside, but the license plate,
but the license plate,
tie it in like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
So,
well, stick your head back in there. We were talking earlier about your interior. Tell me what you think. Does it not make a huge difference?
Oh, it makes 100% difference.
I mean, it's
It
kind
really
of dark in
does.
here because it's an overcast day right now, but I mean, you can see already how it livens up the interior.
It does. It does.
No, and I love that you did stealth interior. I mean, this little accents with the speakers and through the chrome pieces there.
Yes.
It's really, really neat.
Yes.
And I know we talk a lot about the 2026 right there by your mode selector. It's hard to see front lift and or the front cameras, but at nighttime those are backlit, so they're easy to operate. Did you order front lift on yours?
Yes.
Okay, so that'll be this button right there.
Back here,
And you'll
okay.
be able to push that, and then that'll toggle your modes, and then up above is going to be the front camera for a quick access, plus there'll be other ways to access the camera
Nice.
on the main infotainment system there.
Cool.
So you're going to enjoy that. Yeah, but this interior, and I don't mind this in the 3 because it's non-contact, even though it's Alcantara.
Yes.
You know, so this is non-contact area, so this is fantastic. Little shout out for, I saw you put a Corvette Club jacket in the trunk. Who's that?
Frederick County Corvette Club of Frederick, Maryland.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Did you guys have, are you participating in, and I'm sure it's already passed, the Ocean City, Maryland
We
Club?
have done that. We have done that. We also participate in, it used to be in August, they're moving it to May of next year. It's called Corvettes for Vets. It's through willing warriors that have a retreat set up for severely injured service people. and they bring them out as sort of a respite. They bring their families in and that type of thing, and they have a yearly Corvette show, and our club has been participating
You
in
have
that.
to email me information on that. If
I will.
If I can break away, I would love to participate and promote that for you
It's
guys.
a wonderful thing, yes.
Yeah, no kidding,
Yeah.
especially for our veterans.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Oh, that's great, dude.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right, send off, Pat. Yeah, we're going to do that coming up in just a bit. I got to share this. This is a win. You just come up and said what to me now? You said that the content was awesome, but what I love what you said, I appreciate that compliment. Thank you for
Converted
one.
me from a different marquee.
Yeah. Converted him from Porsche. Yes. All right. That's a win. That's a win, man. Thanks. I love it. We're going to do a quick send-off, Pat, for Jim and Judy. Judy, thank you. Congratulations. At some point today, Jim and Judy are going back to Maryland or Florida. We've got a send-off, Pat, for you guys. Congratulations. Thank you so much for the business. That's got a low wing, and we're going to rub that for them as well. And the other Jim in Maryland, thank you for the referral. I do appreciate it. Now, it's raining outside. Now we're going to get out of here because we're coming back in the morning. It's Veterans Day celebration, so I can't not be here and film all this and not be here for the Corvette Veterans Parade. That's coming up. Jim's like, hey man, don't get out of here without doing the send-off. I already did that. Absolutely. I know what's most important. It means so much that you guys are like, hey man, do I get the send-off, Pat? Hey, did you do the send-off, Pat? It's so cool that that's a thing. You guys make this a lot of fun for me. I really appreciate it.
Thanks for everything.
You going to be here in the morning for the parade?
Probably not.
Okay.
We're going to head back to Florida.
All right, well, just be careful, okay?
Will do.
All right, congratulations. Thanks for everything. I really appreciate it. So it's raining outside, yes?
Yes.
Well, I've got the red, white, and blue outfit for the Veterans celebration this weekend, and it's raining, and I've got the poncho from the Corvette Museum store. We couldn't miss this. The Corvette Veterans Parade at the National Corvette Museum. Thanks again for joining us on today's Coffee with Conti, and veterans, thank you for your service. This is awesome. Oh, yeah. Look at that one. Red, white, and blue there, baby. Yes. Okay. Ceramic, red, blue. Oh yeah, that's got red interior, red tipped. Unwrapped it, how about that? Hey, good morning, thanks for your service. Now here's the guy, how come the rest of these cars don't have flags and some decorations on it? I mean, I'm dressed like a flag. Yeah. All right. Thank you, veterans. Fantastic. Thanks, guys. See what's awesome.
what I see. Corvettes.